Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I got one of my favorite cars right here, Superformance with a 427 Keith Craft power plant under the hood. You're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can see how clean the bottom side is. You can bet we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that stroker 427. We're gonna look at the interior, inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Superformance investment. So come on up and let's fire this Keith Craft 427 up. Hey, look at this beautiful red paint. Now there is just a couple little rock chips that maybe a little dot of red paint will make those go right away, but the paint on the car is phenomenal. Now you guys know Superformance paints these over in South Africa and they're all assembled over there in South Africa. Then they come to the States and the power plant and transmission goes in them. It's an amazing ride, guys. It's got true knockoffs. Now the guys had the wheels off and they have not put the tie wires on here, the safety wires yet. Rest assured, those are going on next before we take this thing out on the road. Side pipes are blacked out, so it's got that real mean look to it. That paint is as smooth as can be. All the chrome looks great. Now it's got the reinforced roll bar in it here and the 5-point harness here, so don't be afraid to take this baby out on the track. It's got the AC Cobra steering wheel, and look at that dash. Isn't she beautiful? Now, all these labels are just labels that we put on there so you know how to operate the car when it hits your driveway. Of course, it's got a 5-speed in it. Carol Shelby signed the glove box over there. Just an amazing ride. Probably one of my favorite cars to get in. If I've got to go to a car show or something and there's a Superformance Cobra sitting around, I'm jumping in that baby. And I tell you what, red's my favorite color. That's what color my personal car is. You see where the roll bar comes down here is an extended out and fastened inside the trunk. Now normally we've got the convertible top inside the trunk, and we do have the convertible top for this car, but the convertible will not go on with this roll bar. Now we do have the original roll bar that goes into this hole here, so the convertible top goes on. So if that's something that you'd like to have, we can send that along with the car. When you look down the side of it, she is straight as an arrow. Now here at Vanguard Motor Sales, we own all of our inventory. We are not a consignment dealer. So I put my input in on every one of the buys on these cars. So you're getting my 35 years of experience in dealing with muscle cars, picking out your dream. So let's go outside and drive this baby. All right, let's go for a ride. Keith Craft power under the hood. I'll tell you what, this is one sweet machine. 5-speed trans. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Cobra anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you how easy it is to park this dream in your drive. And if you need help with financing, we got you covered there too, no problem whatsoever. We've got 2 banks we work with. We can hook you up with financing and we can get this dream in your driveway and you can go out and have some fun. I tell you what, these Cobras are a blast to drive. And when they've got the horsepower this thing's got, you won't be disappointed. This thing is amazing, guys. 578 horse, professionally built motor, and it sounds great. Just love this car, man. And down here on the dash, all the gauges are working. Of course, everybody is cranking their head around, checking us out. Now, all the labels you see on the dash, they come off. They're just there until you learn how to operate the car. We'd love to have you come down and take a look. We're only 20 minutes from the airport here in Detroit, and we're here on Saturdays if you'd like to come down and take a look. Now the mechanics will go over this car from top to bottom so we can answer all your questions when you call. We make sure all the lights work, we make sure the brakes are in good working order, and listen to that exhaust. Man, does it sound good. You're gonna have a blast in this baby when we park this dream in your driveway. I think I've already said it 3 or 4 times in the video, but some of my funnest cars are these Cobras. I tell you what, they are a blast to drive, and we'd love to have you come out. You know, we don't get a lot of visitors at Vanguard because we sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen. But boy, we love to have visitors come out. Now here's the shop at 15100 Keel Street. We're gonna get it up on the lift now. I'll show you the bottom side. We'll take a look at that Keith Craft power under the hood. All right, we're underneath this Superformance Cobra now, and man, she's clean under here too. 8.8 Ford rear end, IRS, it's independent rear suspension, right around the 373 gear, and of course it's posi. Everything's nice and clean. We got disc brakes out back. The frame looks great. TKO 600 trans here. Side pipes are nice and clean. SFI explosion-proof bell housing here. Hydraulic clutch, and that Keith Craft power up front here, guys. I think I told you this was a TKO 600. It's a 5-speed. Everything up here looks good. Of course, we got the Ford brakes up front here. It is disc up front also. Everything is beautiful under here. We got the oil cooler here. Radiator's in great shape. They've actually got a screen on the radiator to help protect it. Just an amazing ride here, guys. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, we got the real knockoffs here. And like I told you earlier, the tie wires are on there. 245 60 15s. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here, we got some rubber on the ground back here. 295 50 15s. And the tie wires there, guys. Now let's get under the hood and check out that Keith Craft power. All right, under the hood, here's where the magic happens. Keith Craft 427. It's a 351 stroker. It's got a dart block. There's a big old 780 quick fuel carb sitting on top. MSD making the spark. We've got the oil tank here also. Jet coated headers. Just everything about the car is amazing. Like I said, I believe it's 578 horsepower. This thing is a beast, guys. You're gonna have a blast driving this car. Like I said, every time I do one of these videos, I say, if I'm going to a car show, I get in a Cobra because there's no more fun than one of these babies. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.